Hey guys, what's going on? And I'm going to paint this birdhouse. I am going to be using sandpaper, brushes, water jar, and paint. So, yeah. And here's my design. Mama just gave me it. So, my dad took off the doors, and I'm going to sand off that. Mommy already did one side, so let's get right into it. Oh, yeah, that's it. Okay. Perfecto. Okay. We can just, right now, just get into the painting already. I'm going to be using this big brush for the... Actually, let's not use that one. Let's use this one. I'm going to be doing the red now for this part right here. And I'm going to use this brush. Any brush is good. We had to find this. Yeah, let's start painting. So... Alright guys, I am back and I am so happy with how it turned out. It is still drying and tomorrow we will show you the result. It's going to be super duper cool and I'll even record it when we put it up. This is going to be fun. I love this. I just like to thank Mommy for helping me with the coats and Daddy with the doors and Mommy also for getting rid of the holes when Daddy drilled out the doors. So yeah, just gave you a little update and bye! So I have already done this first coat of protector and I'm going in for the second one on my birdhouse. So here we go. Oh yeah, get those looks.
Front, back, and sides. Not too close. All right. Do a good mist all across the front. Good, strong, there you go.
Perfect! So I am going to put the post in from 18 inches to 20 inches and I am measuring now.
Here, I will hold this here.
So mark 18 and then 24.
Go ahead, you mark it. Good job. Correct. Yep.
And then 18.
And 18. Correct.
Cool.
Put in
And
dark.
an 8.
There you go.
All right.
Get to 24.
So we're going to take this Peep is. I'm going to help her. She's already dug out this hole. There's her little shovel. So we're gonna put it down 18 to 24 inches, and then we're gonna fill it up with concrete. Show them.
Is that good?
Dig out that little bit of dirt.
This part?
Yep. That's a stump. That's a stump. Get the dirt.
Oh.
All right, there we go. So now let's get this thing in place. Look at me. Say bye. We'll be back when we get the post in place.
Bye when we get the post in place. We are measuring this hole really deep to make sure the post is in place, and then we're gonna put gravel in, right? That stuff.
And there's your your bottom line. So we're just a little past 18 inches. Next, we're gonna fill the hole with water. I'm going to sit here with the level. We're going to try and hold it as straight as possible. And we have 30-minute quick drying concrete. All right, so we have the post in the hole. It's level. Lorna's holding it level. Peep's going to fill the hole up to about halfway full. And then I'm going to come over and put in the concrete while we hold it. All right, Peep, so start filling it up with water.
We have cement to hold this pole in place. Daddy is sanding that, and
take the excess and dip it. There you go.
That's fine. We're gonna put paint on this end.
All right, Peepsy's putting on the protective coating before we glue on the birdhouse and finish burying it, and then we should be done. And the final piece of the puzzle, adding a little bit of glue onto the top here, outdoor glue. And then Peep is going to put her birdhouse on, and we'll clamp it down so that it gets in there nice. Hold it.
Okay, I will support, you will lower, okay?
Good.
Yep, we have 5 minutes of working time here, so let's get it as close as we can to the center, and then we'll...
We have basically finished. Here it is. Nice, beautiful, and magnifique. It's still drying, so the birdies can't go on it, but there's the food, and there's that. Yeah. I really like it. It's fun, it's neat, and you should try it.